Welcome to a calm beginning and a moment of inward listening. Today's affirmation invites you to remember something essential. My spirit remembers what my mind has forgotten. The mind is designed to analyze, compare, and solve. But in its constant activity, it can lose touch with what is simple and true. It forgets how to rest. It forgets how to trust. It forgets that clarity does not always come from thinking harder. Your spirit does not forget these things. It remembers how to breathe through uncertainty. It remembers your resilience, your values, and your quiet strength. It carries truths that were learned long before words were needed. When you allow yourself to listen inward, you begin to feel guided rather than driven. Decisions soften, reactions slow. You sense when to move forward and when to pause, without needing a full explanation. This affirmation is not about rejecting the mind. It is about allowing balance. Let the mind do its work, but let the spirit lead when thought reaches its limits. As you move through the day, return to this affirmation when confusion appears. When you feel disconnected, pause and listen. The remembering you need is already present. Here's your daily habit for today. Pause once today and listen inward before responding or deciding. Carry these companion affirmations with you. I trust the wisdom that lives beyond thought. And I am guided by quiet inner knowing. Thank you for beginning your day with AM inspiration and choosing inner awareness over mental noise. May remembrance meet you gently as you move through the day. Win the morning, win the day.